Hey guys, hope you all doing well. I got few queries now. People asking how we can add crude oil live chart on mt4 app. Okay, so in this video we're gonna talk about how we can get live market charts on mt4 for especially for WTI crude oil. Okay, when you come over here to this page, you have to click on plus sign. Then you have to click on open a demo account. When you do that, you have to mention over here is IFCM. I'm sorry. You have to click on IFCM market demo. Okay, you have to put your name, any name. I'm saying you do not have to give your original information. You can put whichever information you are comfortable with. I put it as Jameson number. I put it as any XYZ number. Then the email address you can put any. Okay, then open. You just need to click on create an account. Okay, now my account is done. Okay, when you come to codes, now it shows your name. I have seen market account. Now when you come to codes, do you see that there's so many which is already there? You didn't get all those scripts. They're already there. So in case if I have to get rid of all these, I'll click on delete sign, remove all. Okay, I have removed everything. Now if you have to get crude oil chart, wait, you need to click on this plus sign. Okay, now do you see that how beautiful this app is? You have so many options. You have all these metals, you do have gold. You would get all these options over here. You have to put it as crude, and you have to search. Then this one where are you seeing right now, this is for Brent oil, Brent crude, and they all are like April expiry, March expiry, Jan expiry. They are all the charts. Okay, so you have to come back to the same page. So this is the original chart for crude oil. This one which is I've already placed that on my screen. This one is for FCLG9. You click on it, open chart. You have this is crude oil chart. Today is Sunday, so the market is closed. Now 5 minutes chart, you have 30 minutes chart. This is for crude oil. Okay, in my first video I have already explained how you can download the mt4 Android app from Google Play Store, how you can get a clear screen, and this is how we got crude oil chart on our screen as of now. Okay, so this is the crude oil chart. So I guess this would help you in case if you have any further query, or for any other script you want to learn how you can add another script like gold, copper, zinc, nickel, or maybe crude. I've already explained, so you can always get in touch with me. Thank you.